Hello and welcome to eMind's Technologies. This is Jay Chandran and this is part 2 of CCNA Basics. In this video, we are going to cover password recovery on a Cisco router. Now, we have a router here for which the password is set, but assume we forgot the password, right? We forgot the password. Even 100 times if you turn off and turn on the router, the password will be asked. See, it's opening now. It is going to ask the password. You cannot escape without giving a password. You cannot log in without giving a password. It is not at all possible. It is going to ask password. Anything you type, it is going to say no, wrong. Right? So, it is not going to allow you unless you give a right password. But we forgot the password. We have spent 1.5 lakh rupee, 2 lakh rupee on a router, but we forgot the password. How can I get into my router? See, I want to do some urgent configuration, but I forgot the password. How can I recover my password? How can I know my password? I cannot throw this box because I lost the password. I cannot throw it. So, somehow I should recover the router. How I am going to do that? For that, you turn off the router. As soon as you turn on, press Control, pass break. Control, pass break. It will take you to the mode called row monitor mode. Last week, we saw these things in real device. It took a lot of time, but here it is simulated. It is very faster. Right? Even at home, you can do this. Now, if you want to know what are all the command that is working here, put question mark and hit enter. It will show you. Now, currently we need this command. CONFREG, configure registry. To bypass NVRAM, see, we need to bypass NVRAM. Why do we need to bypass NVRAM? Because all our configurations, including our passwords, are saved in NVRAM. Now, if I will bypass NVRAM, I can escape from password, but the other drawback is I won't get any configuration. But I will be allowed to log inside the router. It will be a fresh router without any pre-configurations. Now, if it is a fresh router, I will be in a DRAM. I can go inside and then copy startup configuration from NVRAM. I can know the password. If the password is encrypted, I can change the password. Right. How to bypass the NVRAM? 0x2142. This is the registry value which will bypass the NVRAM. What is next? Say boot. It will boot by bypassing the NVRAM. So, if NVRAM is bypassed, it will be a fresh router. You are allowed to log in at least. Now, you see, it is asking fresh router, yes or no. I say no. Now, it is a fresh router. Show run, no configuration, nothing. Now, I want to know the password. How can I know the password? Copy running configuration to startup. What mistake I did, I copied the running configuration to startup. Means the router has become fresh. No problem. Anyway, we logged in. We have a backup on the PC. You understand? Now, even though I did accidentally, we are learning something now. I will simply go to the interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and say IP address 10.0.0.1 no shutdown. Now, I should be pinging that server where the backup is. In the previous video we saw, right, how to take backup, right. Now, I am pinging the PC which has the backup configuration. I will simply say copy from TFTP to running. What is the TFTP server address? 10.0.0.2 Bono, right? Bono hyphen config. CONFG, I think. No, I. Done. It is copied. Now, you see, I got show run. All passwords are there, but encrypted. Still, I don't know what is the password. I will simply go and change the password. Username user1, password is 1 2 3, username user2, password is 1 2 3, line console 0, password is 1 2 3, and then line VTY 0 to 4, password is 1 2 3. But anyway, we are not going to use this password, we are going to say login. This password is not needed. Why? We are going to use login local. We want to use username as well as password, right? So login local. Likewise, in line console 0, login local. If I didn't give the command login local, what will happen? Password 1 2 3 will be the password without username. If I say login local, then I'll also copy running configuration to startup configuration. Then if I log out and come in, username is user1, password is 1 2 3, enable, this is also 1 2 3, even telnet is also 1 2 3, correct? Let us telnet and see. User 2, password 1 2 3, enable 1 2 3, done. Telnet is also done. So we learned the password now. I will say copy, run, start. I have also copied, but we are in what mode? Show version. It will show you are in a bypass mode. So you need to go back. See, I am in bypass mode now. Now if I am not going back to the privilege mode, what will happen? See, I am turning off my router and turning on. So every time it is going to bypass NVRAM. Now it will be a fresh router, you see. See, it is not asking password, meaning every time it bypasses. Why? You have not gone back to normal mode. Still that bypass mode is there. See, enable show version, still the bypass mode is there. So that is the danger. So what we need to do? We need to go back to the normal mode. Router, sorry, not router, configure, register. You remember last week we did 0x2102, done. Now you boot. There is no boot command, reload. Boot command is in row monitor mode. See, gone back to the normal mode. Username, user1, 1 2 3 is the password, enable, 1 2 3 is the password, and what is that this thing we want to check? Show run, right? Everything is back. Show version, we are in the normal mode, 0x2102, right? So this is how we can recover password or we can change the password. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.